Welcome to the new series of my Gujarat episodes, where I am on an unforgettable 9-day motorcycle ride across the vibrant state of Gujarat, from a dream come ferry ride across the sea to the salt deserts and to the international borders, learning new lessons in life. How I learned the importance of food, meeting new people, visiting ancient temples, and to the world's tallest statue, covering a total distance of 4,000 kilometers solo. This journey is packed with stories and adventures. If you have slipped any of these stories, do watch it in the playlist tag on the screen now. As my previous episodes was about the Modera Sun Temple and Rani Ki Vav, which has a detailed explanation about the architecture and the history of it. If you have still missed the episodes, do watch the same in the card that pops out now. Your support is the only chance of getting this video reaching into many more. As always, keep supporting and let's hit the road together one day.
पूरा क्लास गया? पूरा क्लास गया? हाँ? कैसे हो गया?
गाड़ी
स्लिप हो गया? ब्रेक? नींद?
नींद में वो ये आया था, भैंस आया था रोड के ऊपर।
पूरा गया? कोई एक भी बचा नहीं है क्या? ये इंश्योरेंस का? हाँ? चलो भाई, निकलता हूँ आराम से। लॉरी गॉन इनसाइड। So let me tell you one thing. Whatever the hero is making splendors in their showrooms, in the factories, are all sold here itself. Splendor Plus, Splendor Plus, Splendor Plus, Splendor, 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 Splendor. Wherever and everywhere you see, it's all Splendor. Splendor, 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 Splendor Plus Pro, Splendor, Splendor Plus, Splendor, Splendor, Splendor. Here again, Splendor, Splendor. There, Splendor, Splendor. World of Splendors. So whatever did Hero built splendors in their factories, it's all sold in Gujarat and North, is what I can see. This from past 1 week is what I see. All that is roaming here is splendors. Nothing else is roaming down there here. And some poor guy has got this destiny and one R15 chokra. One guy with 220 against Splendor. Against Splendor. Passion against Splendor. Splendor. If this route is a condition for next 500 kilometers till Solapur, I think I will not find any refreshment shops or any refreshment shops or some stays or something, whatever it is. I think I'm not gonna get anything for that for next 500 kilometers. This is somewhere inside villages. I think very next to the forest. There is only 2 lanes here. This spreads across some 73 till NH. It's 73 somewhere. It says this is National Highway itself. Something is going on in my mind, and I have nobody to speak there. So it's all blank. Everything is blank. So as I said in the first day itself, I made up my mind. So when and where I feel that I have to return, I am just returning. So in the curve, so I always avoid overtaking because my panniers are there outside, right? So see, if suddenly something comes, will not be able to manage it. So I'm waiting for this guy's signal to overtake me. These lorries won't give any signal. I'll just overtake. That's been put here. Oh my god. What's all this? Crazy. It's somewhere near border, Gujarat and Maharashtra should be, because Shirdi is like 200 kilometers from here, so there's some festival or something that's going on, so only these many people are there here. So go and do something there, I'll be hanged here. Some old songs, nice sticks. Bangalore! So the types of road that I have been coming through, just nobody is there in this road. It's just me and this mat of lights, and so it feels too much as spooky here, right? So there is nobody here, just one or two coming vehicles, that's one. Just 646, that's it. So just think over the nights, what would be the reason? I mean, what would be the condition? Absolutely nobody. That is why I am stopping as soon as possible as in the evenings and settling down in somewhere. So north side, first thing is that the days gets in winter, the days gets there the sun sets so very soon. As soon as the sun sets, it's pitch dark and too cold also. Too much cold also starts at way. So that is what many of me like. I stop riding at night, avoid rides. So if there is somebody, right, we could do aram say we could have done. So when it's me alone, we keep doing. See, like this lorry comes directly hitting on one the big headlamps. So this is how the spooky the roads are. So there is no way in and out there. All the roads are fucking elevated, express highways and bloody shit, something. This is total frustration, guys. I'm saying this is total frustration. So the old highways are left like that, no improvements. Two-wheelers like this, like me, two-wheelers or somebody in the left as it is like that itself. No shops here, nobody is there here nearby. These express highways have killed the old national highways. Oh, buddy. What to do now? See, these guys and lorry guys are heavy loads. It will go slowly, guys. And we two-wheelers at night, it's so risky to do this. I just see, I am not finding a hotel to settle up. That is the only problem. From past 150 kilometers, I have another 125 kilometers. I think the next Jaigun or Maigun or something, some place is coming next. Maigun, what is it? Let me check what is its name. I just don't want to mispronounce any names because every place has its own importance. So somebody seeing and speaking wrong about Shirdi. So one second. There's a lorry coming there. So Mannad, Malegaon. So Malegaon is somewhere. I can find some highways is what I believe, or somebody in the road that see this road. you feel too much of spooky here. Too much of spooky. There's nobody, not even a guy or nobody. There is one express highway that's going there. We are not allowed. What to do? Nobody is there in the road. You know, forget about all this. Whatever it is, forget. So the worst thing now is no petrol bunk charge. What to do? I'm running in reserve fuel. See the low fuel on it. This is the road that takes to Shirdi. From Shirdi, I have to pass on. So Shirdi is my last option to get some rooms or on the way of this road. This is the only option that. This is a fucking awesome experience, guys. It's already 11:46 and I have another 41 kilometers towards Shirdi. My ETA is 12:40, another 1 hour just for 41 kilometers. The main thing is this road is so spooky. You know, see that, guys. You're seeing it now. So spooky the road is. Nobody there. Okay, so I did reach somewhere near outside Shirdi. So it's like 5-10 kilometers from here. So I'm just checking up with him if he has some rooms or not. Good morning, day 7. So the trip one has come to 800 kilometers, which is 2800. That's done now, and I have another 1000 kilometers. It's 3800 now. So I'm starting my day as usual. I'm gonna end today, I'm not sure, but I have 1000 kilometers. 500 kilometers is my target, and let's see how this can be done. So as usual, keep supporting. Thanks. See, this morning itself, two-wheelers not allowed. What to do? It's so frustrating, you know. Things like this. Okay. Have you guys ever seen a road that is built with patches? Or the road itself is built in patches? So this is such sort of road. So they did not lay the road. There was some old road here. They put the patches. So the patches on top of that is become a road now. So it is not basically a road, but it is a patch road patch or patched road. Whatever it is. This road was never built. It was not constructed. It was not tarred. Okay, so they just tarred it with patches, or they patched it with a tar. That's it. No road. And see this Attica guy. He's poking. This guy is somehow. भैया स्पीड कम करके खाली वो बॉडी मारना है, इंजन में मत मारना।
वॉशिंग करने का है, खाली पानी मारने का है।
पानी मारना, वो इंजन में मत मारना, ठीक है? बहुत गर्म है।
स्पीड कम कर दो क्या?
हाँ, स्पीड कम करना है।
ये निकालो, टॉवेल निकालो।
इधर मत मारना ज्यादा,
इधर एक ज्यादा नहीं मारने का।
हाँ,
इंजन पे
मत
मारने का नहीं,
मारना ही नहीं है।
इंजन पे नहीं ना। इंजन पे
मत मारो
इधर।
हाँ,
थोड़ा जाएगा इंजन पे,
पूरा गया। Have to be carefully with him and say him not to belt on the engine because it's very too hot to withstand. Huh? This got water spilt on it, so the headlamp had some sort of mud stains and too much on it, so now it's clean, water washed. So we'll start from here now. Done. So what's that? Volkswagen Beetle. I don't know. It should be. It looks like Beetle. Should be the first gen of Beetle or such. Who knows what it is. Finally at home, and mom is there here. At home at last. Peace. It was a crazy experience all along. All kids waiting now. Vinike, let me take a photo.